So let me close this Jenkins blue version part. Now let me log out. So let's say once you have installed, it doesn't matter whether you're done in Linux or Windows. I kept it simple to start with Windows because Windows obviously most of us has. So when you first time configure it, you will have some username, obviously. I just kept a Prasad and Prasad.
Okay.
So now the way I had done is I simply created one GitHub account myself. Prasad-iLineSoft. So I just created something. I just created some repo. There is nothing in this repo. So what Jenkins pipeline does is it creates this Jenkins file. So initially I didn't have anything in this Jenkins file, nothing. Nothing means nothing. So what I just had standard repo created. I just gave the name as practice-repo in the master branch. Then this develop branch, and for Git related, I added some text just to show the Git commands. But if you see the master branch, I kept nothing. And Jenkins pipeline, by default, it starts with master. So then what I have done, I installed this plugin of blue version, which is I mentioned in the last video also. The moment you open the blue version, you can create a new pipeline, whatever. So I just clicked new pipeline, created my GitHub thing, created some GitHub token, personal access token using the settings. Then once I kept my, token, initially I given the token, so it's not asking me again. So once I given the token, it's like I'm integrating with my GitHub. Now automatically this respect to repo is loaded. If you click create pipeline, it creates something like this. So basically what it does, it creates something like this, means whatever you have, it just builds it. Means it just builds it, means it just runs it. Now initially this is completely blank. Blank means you will see something like check from version control. It just takes the code and says success. That's what initially I created. Then if you see the Jenkins file, I just added a simple step like this. Some kind of a Windows badge which says dir/p command. So it's saying build stage, and this applies to all branches. So I just created like this. You can say, click on here. You can add another step. What I want to do is I want to extend it, and I want to extend it like a production thing. So if you see a typical production, see this diagram, you will have something like this: build stage, test stage, deliver stage. So the way in this example, what I want to do was, let's say we have a pipeline here. We can actually add new things. Yes, I can add any steps I want. So it's like build here. I can add one more stage parallel to the build, or else I'll add one more stage to the next. And you can give some name as a test. We can pretty much do whatever. So if you see in my build, I have got 2 Windows batch commands. You can add your own step, whatever the way you want. This is pretty good in this thing called a blue version. If you don't install this plugin, you will not see this kind of UI. So basically, adding some stages is very straightforward. So the way they have shown here, you can add some stages, give the name, test, and then deliver. In each stage, you can have write some script. So basically, you write some code and that runs it for you. So that way, let's say if you're building a Java package kind of thing, it creates a Java, and then you have the jar. Now you can take this jar, export to AWS, or put it to some specific folder in your system, that kind of stuff. So basically, this is a theory thing. Means Jenkins pipeline Freestyle project is one thing, that is traditionally freestyle job. But Jenkins pipeline should something like this, like the way you are seeing now, right? Pipeline of build, test, and then deliver. That too, this UI Jenkins blue version is specifically made for the pipeline thing, and companies are interested in that. I'm not in either. Oh. So this is the thing I was trying to create. I couldn't get much time due to my university stuff, but I wanted to show this way so that once you do this, then you look into your Jenkins file. It looks something like this, or even more different stage build, stage test kind of thing. So actually, I wanted to show that. So it looks more like a production one. Are you getting what I'm saying, Anjali?
Yes, I'm getting.
That's a thing so that you people get a full feeling of Jenkins CI/CD pipeline.
Oh,
See,
okay.
other way of doing Jenkins pipeline is, which I showed in the class already. Say you just go to main Jenkins. Now you have two jobs. Do you remember how I created these two jobs? How I linked?
I just saw the video only.
Yeah. If you see here, what I've done when I created this job, let's say how I create is traditional way. Click on new item. I click on something called freestyle project.
Mm-hmm.
That's how I created. Once you create a freestyle project, and once you go to that configure button, it's all recording. Yeah. Once you go to configure button, you will put some repository URL in Git. You can put anything. I just put some Java stuff, which was already there. It just has some simple program, hello world.java, and you just compile it and run it. Then somewhere I linked. Yeah, I didn't link here. There are many ways you can link. One thing is you can say post build step. You can say after me build other projects. You can say which build project you want to do. You can say job to. It's as if like you're saying after my project run this project. I didn't do that. So what I did, I just left job one as it is. I went to job two. I created job two, and I'm running a simple Windows command here. Let me show you by going to configure. I'm running a simple Windows command, nothing else, no git, nothing. And I've done one more thing. See this? Under build triggers, build after other projects are built. I'm saying that first is job one, then is job two. So job two
Oh,
should run after job one. So I'm saying
okay.
directly, once job one does, job two should be run. I given this kind of link. Now, once I given the link, there's a traditional administration. Only when you click blue version, you see that one. This is the way Jenkins has been popular all the time. I created something called pipeline view. Again, you can create a view like this. Click here. If you create another view, you just click build pipeline view and you'll get that. This is related to some plugin called build pipeline plugin. You just try. If you're not able to get, I will show you. Now, so what I have done, I created a pipeline view such that while starting here, I click this, some name I'll say. I'm not going to say, I'm just putting it. Then I said initial job is job one. By doing this, and if you run it, if you run the job one, automatically job two will be run. Let me show you that. The one that I already configured. If you see this one, click on configure, pipeline view, select initial job, job one. That's it, no other step. And this is a standard one, which will be there, and all other default parameters. Now with this pipeline view, what happens? Initial job is job one. Initial, this will be blank. The moment you say run, no need to do like this. Let's go to job one and run from there. Let me say job one, build now. This is a very small thing. It builds. So it is running. This will automatically run job two as well. Let's see in the pipeline view. So this is run, new one, latest time, April 4, 6:12 p.m. This is running actually. So that's the reason I don't see the result. It will come, I think, after a few seconds.
Do we need to refresh the page or it will automatically come up?
Maybe let's do one refresh. Yeah. So within 12 seconds, so first this ran, then this also running. So basically, you're able to see a pipeline using freestyle traditional project of Jenkins. So you're able to create pipeline using freestyle projects. This is one way. But modern way, which other tools are popular, is this. That one, Blue Ocean. Once you install a Blue Ocean plugin, click on Blue Ocean, then you just create a new pipeline the way I've created there. You link with, yeah, you link with your gate, other Git related. Then you just add what are the stages you want. And by doing this, this will automatically create in the respective GitHub or whatever you have, something like this Jenkins file. Actually, I've done GitLab CI/CD and Circle CI/CD a lot. They also create very similar stuff. This is actually Groovy script. So this is a Jenkins pipeline. All of us should be targeting. I mean, you should see something like this kind of stages. So this is the kind of thing I want to show actually. So that's the thing, I didn't get time for this, but Jenkins pipeline should like this. How you're creating a pipeline job, you're just adding the stages, not with a combination of freestyle projects. That is one way. You add a freestyle project and you create a pipeline. But we should learn to use Jenkins file and then do. That's the completeness of Jenkins pipeline. I think you're getting my point, right?
Yes.
Oh, other participants also joined. Tabish. Hi, Tabish. So today it's more of just a theory thing I was trying to show and then recap of the earlier session. Do you have any questions here, Tabish?
Oh no, I just joined actually, so I'm gonna have to look back at the videos and kind of
Yeah, please see the video, and if you have questions also can ping me, because I didn't get much time to practice due to my university projects. I wanted to show some Jenkins pipeline, which is using this Blue Ocean kind of thing with the Jenkins file, so that it comes to this kind of stage. Right now, I'm able to achieve that kind of stuff using freestyle projects. You just join multiple freestyle projects, you get a pipeline view. But
hey, Raghu, can I ask you something?
Blue Ocean is the ultimate one with the Jenkins file. That's the actual one. If you join a company, you're going to see. So,
can I ask you a question?
Yeah, what is that? Yeah, go on. Ask me the question.
Yeah, I'm actually stuck at the lesson where you showed us the GitHub, and so I'm actually stuck at the last
then
part.
Let's do one thing. Anyway, we're recording. I will make you the host. You share your screen. Let's fix it. So, Anjali, now it's become a very specific troubleshooting session. If you want to stay, you can stay, or else you can leave. I mean, but I would say.
And yeah, can you add me to the DevOps training team too? Like, I'm not getting like.
Just a minute.
Hey, Raghu, you can continue with your lesson, and then you can.
No. There is not much lesson today, because today I didn't get much time to prepare. I just wanted to show this, and which I shown. Like, I am targeting for this kind of pipeline, which maybe we'll try to see next my Tuesday's class. So right now I just given the idea, like who participated, like how I'm trying to do, and what I've achieved already with this pipeline thing. So let me first give this invite link. You can just click that and join. Invite link.
No, I am the third one, the 3461. You can just send me on that.
My name is sending in the WhatsApp. I'll send you there also. Fine.
Okay. No, I got it.
Yeah, let me send you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, fine.
I'm in.
So now what we will do, we'll just one more join. Hashim, today is more of a generic discussion because I don't have much stuff to discuss. So right now we are troubleshooting Tabish system. So let me make you the host. So Tabish, you are the host now. You can share your screen so that let's do the troubleshooting thing. The others can stay or you can leave, but pretty much I'm trying to get something like this. Tabish, can you share your screen?
Yeah, let me do that.
Okay, sure.
All right, can you see it?
No.
Oh, no? Okay, hold on.
Still my screen only.
I've got multiple screens. Hang on. So
Yeah, I think once you open, now we can see your screen. Yes, I can
right.
see your screen. And anyway, it's recording. Yeah,
All right,
show me
so
where you're stuck up.
yeah. So bear with me because I tried to do this last night and I keep
Yeah,
getting
sure.
an error. And
I
so
requested the remote control as well. You can share.
So I've got that, and then I'm looking at the steps. Hang on. So I've created the Git, and I'm trying to upload a file here, right? But
Good,
these
you're
two
trying at
files,
least. Very nice.
these two
Yeah,
files.
now where are you stuck up, Tabish?
I'm sorry, what?
No, where are you stuck up?
I'm stuck where I want to push it through the command line to upload a file here, but it doesn't upload it through the command line. I have to
Oh,
physically
wait.
I have to
Did
physically
you
create
push?
it.
This is master. Okay, now other branch. Okay, now go to your command line.
So the thing is, I created it last night. I'm logged into the
Yes.
command. Do I need to recreate the demo and all that?
No need to
No,
do.
right?
Wait, 1 minute, wait. Anyway, I have the access. I think, did you give me the access? Yes, I have the access. Tabish demo. What is your project name, repo name? It's Tabalavi. You have to be in this place.
Right. So when I run the command, what is it?
Close this extra one. Tabalavi. Where did you do git clone of this?
The what?
Is it under demo?
Yes, correct. Now when you run it, see?
Wait, let me see the readme thing. No, this is different. No, this is different. Your files are different. Let's do one thing. Let's delete this completely.
Okay.
How we delete is
RM. Right?
RM minus RF.
Correct.
R for repetition, going within the folders. F means force. I'm deleting the demo folder. The thing. Yeah, we have to be very careful with RM minus RF. Now, okay, the demo folder is not there. Yeah,
Right.
just do a flash git clone.
Do I need to recreate it, right?
No, don't do git init, do git clone. Do you know how to do git clone?
Git clone?
Yes, you need to get your GitHub structure to your local system.
Okay, so how do I do that? Teach me that one.
Yeah, wait, I'll show you. Clone with HTTPS. You just copy this and then run git clone. Yeah, copy that and then do git clone on your terminal.
Oh, okay. Let me try that. Git clone. Then I paste that in there?
Yes, copy it, the URL. Yes. Yes, run it.
Okay, cool. I didn't know that. Now?
What commands did you practice, man? Okay.
Git init, I practice that.
Fine, at least you are trying something. Now, if you see here, you will have this Tabalavi thing. Tabalavi. So it is here, and then if you do ls minus l, you will see your files. I already told you don't create files with the space. You again doing this.
Right.
See, if you create with a space, see how ugly it looks.
Yeah, I got you, man.
No, you didn't get it.
Yeah,
Now if you open the readme.md.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
Fine. You can open it. You can use nano, yeah, fine. Nano is fine.
You want me to open it or just read on it?
Yeah, just show the content, just to double check.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Okay, so your code is there. Yeah, now tell me, where are you stuck in this?
I'm stuck to upload it to the, the git push command. That's where I get
now
stuck
do
in.
some changes. Let's do it now itself. Don't do git push directly. First, you do git status. First, you try to understand what the system is. Yeah. So your branch is up to date with master. So there is nothing to commit. So when there is nothing to commit, you cannot do git push. You do some changes in your local system. Edit the file. You add some other dummy text.
In the file?
Yes.
Oh,
See,
okay.
understand the concept. You need to do git push from your local system to the central system when you have some changes to be pushed to the central system. So first thing is you do your changes, then do git add, then do git commit, then you do git push. I think I should make all of you to practice it because I'm seriously not sure what you guys are doing in the videos. Anjali, do you know how to do this git add, git commit and git push, or you don't know? Hello? Okay, maybe not there. Yeah, try that, Tabish. So good that you're trying. Now what you do is, first do some change in your file. Just edit the file. Do some changes.
In that same file, the README file?
Yes, yes.
Okay. The command to edit the file is SED, right?
SCD is to replace something. SCD is different.
Is
You
it
just
off?
use nano to edit the file. Yes, you can replace something. You just edit it manually. SCD is a Linux command where it is for substitution. It is like find and replace. Yeah. You're creating some file, fine. Hello world. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. So, all right.
Yes, you can save this. Now, once you save this, come out and just run git status.
Let me see, sample. Sample 1. You want to run git status?
Yes.
Okay.
Now see, it says untracked file. So this is showing in red, means you have done some change, but it is not added to your local system. So git works like a 2 stages. First, make sure your local system is up to date. Then you push it to the central system. So what you need to do, since you have made a change, it's clearly saying git add. You just run git add the file name. Okay, this all fine, warnings fine. Now just run git status again. No, it would have not been there. No, it's all only in local. It's not there yet. Status. So now it says
On branch master.
changes to be committed. See this, changes to be committed.
Mm-hmm.
Do you know how to do git commit?
Yeah, let me try that.
Okay, do that git commit.
Give me 1 second. Git commit.
Git commit -m. That is a message.
Oh yeah, -m. Yeah.
You put within the quotes, write some message within the double quotes.
Yeah, 1 second, man. Git commit. All right.
Excellent. Oh, wait, you need to set up your email ID. So what you do, see the second one, git config -- global user.name. So you do this. I mean, you can set your GitHub username.
Like that?
Git config -- global -- user.name space user.name. User. Wait, first you write user.name.
I have to type in user.name?
Yes. You need to do exactly what it shows. Yes, wait.
Email first.
This one.
That one?
Now, I mean, you don't need to put quotes. You can write your name, your username in GitHub. What is your username? Tabalavi. Yes. Enter.
Enter.
Yes. Email is not required. Now try the git commit again. Just run the same command again. You can do Control-R. Yes.
Right.
Good man. You have practiced to some extent. Good.
I practice a lot. It's just that it's different when I got to show it to you, you know?
Yes. You are right. It's very different. And interviews or even job, they expect you to know git commands.
It says the same thing.
No. It's again asking your email ID. Now, same way, do your email ID. Git config -- global user.email. So you just run this command. Let me highlight it for you.
Oh, the top one? Okay.
Yes, top one. Yes. Sorry, top one.
I got you. I'll do it.
Yeah, do it. global user.email. Within the quotes, you write your email ID. What you used for GitHub?
Oh, I don't remember. Let me see. What email ID? I don't.
You might have used your Gmail ID.
Maybe.
Click on your profile.
I don't remember, man. Let me see.
Yeah, click on edit profile on the left side. Oh, it's not there. It's okay. Write some email ID. That's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, double quotes and enter. Yeah, now try the git commit -m again.
Nice. Okay.
It done local commit. Wait, what it means is you have done a local commit, but it's not there in your central system. Now do git status again. Git status, yes. Wait, it says nothing to commit, but your branch is ahead of origin master. So you use git push.
Git push.
Yeah. So what you need to do, wait, let me tell you the syntax. Git space push, wait. Username you can give. Yeah, you can give username, but there is something more you need to give. Git push -u username, then you write origin space master.
Yeah.
Put your username -u tabalavi space
Space.
origin ori space master. So basically you are indicating that origin means something remotely. You are actually pushing to your master branch. This is a good practice. Yeah, enter. You don't have permissions. What? Tabalavi does not appear to be a Git repository. Make sure you have correct access rights. Okay, do one thing. Don't use -u, just do git push. Git push origin master. Origin.
Yeah, I'll be there. Give me 1 second. Sorry. Git push origin master.
Origin space master. Let's try. Yeah, I'll get a lot of errors like this. Good, at least you have tried. Now it should ask your username.
Man, I tried git push. I tried copying my address.
No, wait. It is asking the GitLab login. Go back there. I think it has asked some page here, right? See, it's asking the page. Give your GitHub username and password. Don't forget this. You need to remember this username and password. Logon failed. So basically you typed your password wrong.
Let me see. I don't remember what I typed in. Hang on. Let me see. Username was Tabalavi. Password. Shit.
You can install this plugin called LastPass. LASTPASS.
Let me see what I typed in. Hang on. I don't remember.
No, authentication failed. Do one thing. Let's do one small thing. First, log out of GitHub. Let's try to log in from here first. Let's log out and then log in again. So that way you will see if you remember your password. Now, let's do sign in.
Oh, see.
Wait. Do you know this password? That means it has stored. So let's click on manage passwords. Type GitHub. Git space, remove the space. Now click on show.
Okay, it's that one. Okay,
84, this thing. Okay, your year of birth is 84. P capital, Pakistan 84, exclamation. Yeah, do that now. So git
right
push origin master again. Just run git push origin master. Yes. No, not -u. Don't use -u. Don't confuse the system sometimes. Yeah, enter. Your username Tabalavi and then your password Pakistan84 whatever, P capital exclamation. See, it worked.
All right, beautiful. That's
Okay,
where I was
good. At
stuck,
least
man,
you're
because I
trying
was
to.
getting
So
this.
this is
See, I
the.
was getting this error before. Where was it? I was getting this error here.
See, this error is basically we need to do the global setting. That is fine.
And then this error.
The error you're getting is a login authentication. So this is how you push.
Yeah, and then this error I was getting.
You can practice the git merge later on if you possible. But first thing is watch the video, keep the video next to you, and then try.
Okay, so this is how we do it. We're good, huh?
Yes.
And now if I, let me see, there should be a file here now, right?
Yes, it will be there. Yes, go on there. Click on, see it's there, sample1a.txt.
Nice, man. That's what I was looking at, man. I was like, see, I did all of these, but I couldn't figure out how to do this one. All right, thank you, man.
Okay, fine. Then you can practice the further git and the same thing using git merge or whatever. But yeah, this is how you do the normal git. You take a branch, you have done everything in the master branch. General practice is you do in a feature branch. You do exactly what's there in the video. Don't skip the video. Watch the video. Note down what and all I have done. In fact, you keep the video next to you and do every step. Then only you will do correctly. Right now, what's happening? You are not doing correctly. Git add all those stuff. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically just try. Next, you can try changing some files in the future branch so that you can do the merge. I mean, you can try. First, you try something will not work. Then again, we can sit and do like this in the session.
All right, man, I'll go through it and then practice.
Yeah. So what you can do, okay, just do whatever is possible because if I say something more, you guys might not do anything. Okay, right now you did something and you got stuck up something. So now you understood the flow. Now you have done everything from your side. One more command you can run is just run git log, git space log, git space log, log, L-O-G, enter. So if you see here, in this entire branch, right now we have done 3 commits. So you said something called third commit, create NBA, and then on March 28, you have done initial commit. So basically, whatever you have done, there is a record that is called git log. And it has by done whom, which user? See, both the things you did in the GitHub directly. That's the reason, see the way it has come. Tabalavi.users.noReply, because you are done from the main UI. Now, since you are done from the command line, your username is recorded properly, tabalavi@yahoo.com. So git log is a useful command. Just run git space branch, git space branch. Yeah, so you're in the master branch. So what you can practice is you can try to check out some other branch and then try to do. But right now, whatever you're doing is fine. Yeah, just practice whatever you think you can. Wherever you're stuck up, you can just ping me. Okay?
I will do that. And then the other question I had is you were teaching the Jenkins thing. How important is that?
Very, very important.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Yes. Everything I'm teaching you right now, right from the Linux first class, everything is important. Either it will come in your interviews related stuff or it will come in your actual job. Everything is important. In fact, my intention is you guys practice more and more. You guys will get up stuck somewhere. Then ask questions. Then only you will know and others will know. Okay?
All right, brother. Thank you, man.
Okay, man. See you.
All right. Take care. Bye.
I'm closing the session.
Yes, sir.